Alright, let's do the last filler so we can start the break for the Panthers and Ravens. Come on. Facebook has been acting. Okay, I'll refund Kane. Thanks, Kane, for taking the last spots. Alright, let's go live. Facebook's been really slow today. I thought it was just me, but then I confirmed with somebody else. They said, yeah. Come on. Wow. Hope this is not going to affect the feed when I go live. Come on. Alright. Kane at the top, Tom at the bottom. Current time is 8:19 p.m. Eastern. 5 times, top 2. Each get a team. First Panthers, second Ravens. Good luck. 1, Kane. 2, Paul. 3, Brenton. 4, Chris. Moves down. Wow. Really? So yeah, this is just Facebook. All the other pages I go on are fine. So slow. 8:20. 8:20. Good luck, guys. Darren and Chris. Congrats. So Darren gets the Panthers, and Chris gets the Ravens. Wow. Come on. 8:20. 8:20. Alright. 5 times, 10 names. So Darren gets Panthers, Chris gets the Ravens. Thanks again, guys. I'll be going live in about 10 minutes.